Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for May 16 to 31, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa lahat ng tarot reading services from May 2 hanggang May 31. So, extended na yan, okay? Extended hanggang May 31. Yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Okay. Kung gusto nyo mag-book. Sagittarius, let's see. What's up? Energy update for you, for Sagittarius. Wow, okay. So, bottom of the deck, Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, wow. King and Queen of Pentacles. Business partnership for some of you, or meron kayong katuwang sa buhay ngayon na tumutulong talaga sa inyong finances, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong negosyo. Nine of Pentacles, wow. The World. So, some of you, no, maganda ang buhay sa abroad. Yung iba naman pwedeng kayong parehong mag-partner, mag-asawa, nasa abroad, you are really doing well. So, even if you are single, you are financially stable, independent. Wow. Yung iba sa inyo nag-e-enjoy sa ngayon, if you are single. Enjoying the fruits of your labor, enjoying your independence. So, let's see. Your overall energy, you have the Magician. Very talented kayo, Sagittarius. I think you are really stepping into your own power. You want to be a better version of yourself, no? Let's see, what is the Magician? Although meron ditong change na gusto nyong gawin, but it seems na parang may frustration, no? What is the Magician? You have the 8 of Vessels. So, I think isa ito sa change na gusto nyong gawin. Leaving a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. Let's say, for example, gusto mo umalis sa trabaho na matagal ka na dyan, 15 years, 20 years ka na. So, syempre, mahirap talaga na iwanan yung ganon kasi that has been your comfort zone. Pero, how will you experience a new version of yourself or changes kung hindi ka mag-explore, okay? So, exploration of other opportunities ang isa sa challenge mo ngayon kung paano mo to magagawa, ano, with the Wheel of Fortune as your challenge kasi parang feeling stuck yung energy na to eh. Let's see, what is the Wheel of Fortune? The Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, so maaring naka-establish ka na kasi ng certain career or business, but it seems na meron ka pang gustong ma-experience outside of that career or outside of that business or outside that situation. So ngayon, nandun ka sa point na gusto mong mag-explore, sumubok ng ibang bagay. With your opportunity, the 4 of Pentacles, this is financial stability and also savings, no? You are saving more money, saving your resources. Mas nagiging maingat ka ngayon sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan. Oo. So, maaring ngayon, you know the value of every peso or every, kung magkano man yung, ano man yung currency mo, nasaan ka man ngayon. You have the Chariot. Okay, some of you are saving money para makapag-travel. This is for your personal satisfaction, personal improvement. Some of you, maaring meron kayong opportunity ngayon na makabili ng sasakyan. Oo, kung ito ay matagal nyo ng pinag-iipunan. And then with your blessing, you have the Lovers. This is about commitment. So, maaring meron kang, papasok ka sa isang commitment na talagang gusto mo. Okay? Some of you, itong commitment na to, pwedeng business ito. Although yung iba, pwedeng relationship. You have the 9 of Swords. Yung iba, hindi kayo makatulog. Alam mo yung minsan pag ikaw nagsiset up ka ng bagong business, mahirap talaga matulog kasi andun yung halo-halong excitement, halo-halong frustration sa sisimulan mo. Siyempre, marami kang kailangang asikasuhin. So, it's kumbaga sabi nila, it's a good problem, 'di ba? Dahil merong kang sinisimulang bago sa business or sa career or sa relationship, but at the same time, this can also make you feel uneasy na parang ang dami mong iniisip. Oo, yung parang 24/7 tumatakbo yung isip mo. Dami mong nai-imagine na mga scenario. So, for your money, career, finances, you have the Devil and the Three of Pentacles. So, you are really growing your finances right now. To the point na pwedeng may mga unhealthy habits ka na. Okay? So, like what I mentioned kanina, pwedeng gusto mong mag-business or trabaho, meron kang goal na gustong ma-achieve. But at the same time, no, napapabayaan mo yung iyong kalusugan. Hindi ka na nakakatulog ng maayos, hindi ka na nakakakain sa tamang oras. You have the Three of Vessels. So, some of you may collaboration, working with other people, team leadership, no? So, some of you maaring merong opportunity na maging team leader or manager. Parang merong celebration dito eh. So, pagdating naman sa love life, 8 of Swords, King of Cups. Naku, yung iba sa inyo is parang nagdadalawang isip sa isang connection, romantic connection. Oo, yung iba, long distance relationship. Parang nandun na yung feelings, no? But at the same time, yung iba nag-overthink, kaya ko bang i-handle ang isang long distance relationship? O, diba? Ganon. Mahirap naman talaga ang LDR. Kasi, depende talaga yun kung kaya nyong i-handle, no? Kung malakas kayo. But, sa panahon kasi ngayon, talagang yung faith mo na lang sa person mo ang mananaig dyan eh. Kaya parang kahit na merong someone is very interested sa'yo, kaso ang magiging setup niyo dyan, long distance relationship, hindi ka sure, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo mapagdesisyonan. But some of you might also be pwede ring ending a situation, no? Sa isang tao na parang hindi ka masyadong napapahalagahan. Can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Tapos parang hindi mo lang masabi sa kanya. Solar flares, activate. Aquarius collaboration. Yeah, I think itong collaboration na to related sa career, no? Money, career, finances, trabaho, negosyo, that someone is going to help you pagdating sa pag-establish ng iyong career, ng iyong business. With the 12th house, this is about your mental clarity, no? So, ngayon, iniisip mo kung talaga bang ready ka na for a relationship or ready ka na ba na mag-decide para sa connection mo ngayon if you are letting go of someone. Hard work ahead o table, may hard work talaga. Kaya nga yung iba kulang sa tulog. Talagang ine-effortan nyo. Recognition, reward of merit. So, yung mga effort nyo, 'di ba? Meron yang kapalit, syempre. May rewards 'yan. You will be recognized. Spiritual love. Okay. So I think this is about your spirituality with the 12th house. Some of you nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. You are learning more. You are discovering more about yourself. Pwede rin sa belief system mo to. And pwede rin yung iba, you are connecting with someone who is like a soulmate, no? Kaya lang yung iba, hindi kayo sure about this relationship, lalo na kung merong distance between the two of you, no? Malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!